We're looking at some cloud cover out there. You can see it is thickening up, and some of these clouds look like they're a little bit darker than others. There may be a sprinkle or two coming out of some of those, but as far as significant weather, don't see anything yet. In fact, we're going to be watching carefully on the radars to see if there's something that could form up for you. But overall, I think we're pretty much done with the crazier weather. Viper right now, the visible satellite imagery, you can see the clouds that are formed across the area. You can't really see it until I back out a little bit, and you can see there's a little bit of a line in there. Maybe I can draw this out for you a little bit here, right in through there. A little bit of a line. Wondering if maybe a few showers might fire up there. Also, of course, we've got this little notch of cloud cover out over Austin and to the west. We'll keep a close eye on both of those areas, well, the whole area, but you can do so as well if you go to KXAN.com. At the moment, 83 degrees, partly to mostly cloudy. You've got a light breeze out of the southeast at 6, humidity at 63%, dew point 69, pressure 29.93, and steady. 80s, lots of 80s. We have 75 in Fredericksburg. I almost want to question that, but I know there's a little cloud cover out there, so that could be the case. 80 in Blanco. You have 81 for San Sabot, Lampasas, and Lakeway. 81 in Georgetown. You can pick up 84 in Llano and 82 in Barnett. Heading out east, you see 82s for Bastrop and Giddings. Rockdale at 83. 85 at LaGrange. 83 in Lockhart. 88, the warmest right now in San Marcos. 86 out of the airport. All right, statewide. Last night, you may have watched it, had a line of showers and thunderstorms that were rolling south. Now, that was over 12 hours ago, and they faded away. So all we have left is on the right side of the screen, that little cloud area of cloud cover and one dot of green. There were some pretty significant storms out there. In fact, there were reports of hail and high winds. But just as they got to the central Texas areas that we call home, they died out. Well, that sometimes leaves a little line in the sand, if you will, and the next day, the clash of the air masses, the heating of the afternoon, you can see showers fire up. I don't have anything showing up right now. In fact, I'm going to put this into motion, but you can see the cloud cover there, and we think there's a possibility for maybe an isolated shower. So I wouldn't sweat it too much. Keep an eye on the radars at KXAN.com. You'll do just fine. Forecast models had the cloud cover in place from this morning. By noon, they were saying a little bit of cloud cover to the east. We see more cloud cover to the west, but our forecast model is trying to hint at a little shower activity along that line all the way to Houston. Afternoon, mid-afternoon, maybe a few isolated showers again. And then about drive time, a lot of folks on the roads, maybe a few showers. Biggest concern, maybe a sprinkle or two, maybe slickening up the roads. But other than that, looking good for the weekend. Have a rain chance for tomorrow. We'll call it less than 10%. We see just one dot of green out there to the west of us, so I think we're in good shape. Let's go with sunshine. 92 with an isolated shower. Watch that on the radars. Winds out of the south at 5 to 15. Tonight, you're looking at 73, winds out of the south at 10 to 15, and it looks like possibilities for showers are going to come to an abrupt end after today. 93, sunshine, same for Sunday. Looks like probably lower 90s for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Morning lows in the 70s. Rain, I don't know. We're getting into that summertime pattern. It looks like it is going to be hot and dry. Let's hope that we do have some rain by the end of next week.